of eating this. This is red potato, sweet potato. Now, I'm going to use it in a different form. All these are vegetable, although they are not part of this, but I will prepare this in another way. Just vegetable. You can just eat like that. No, anyway. Now, this is the major focus. I'm going to teach you how to use this in another form. Not just to cook it and eat it. You'll be surprised to see it today. Now, this is poivron, red pepper. This is garlic. This is ginger, and this is garlic, and this is onion. So now the job is about to start. Follow me. The sweet potato needed. This is the garlic. Now this is the ginger, sorry, and this is the garlic. In using the garlic, you don't just put the garlic like that. After peeling it, you open it. There is something inside. You must remove it. This is what makes it to smell. That is why you see some people will tell you, I don't eat garlic because it smells. This is what makes it to smell. So you remove it. If you don't remove it and you eat it, that is what brings the odor. So if you can remove that, garlic is very good for your health, and the ginger, I recommend it for you. So you open it like this. You remove this inside. That is compulsory if you don't want the mouth to have odor after use. Then the onions. You can put the quantity of onion depending on how you need it. If you need it so many, you can put as many as you can. Garlic and ginger also, you can put as many as you can. So in the end, you grind all together. And you will follow me up. You will see what I'm trying to do. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, nice day as you follow me. The cutting, I want to grind. This is carrot. This is onion. Everything is inside. But this is the pepper. I can't put too much pepper because of my children. They don't like pepper. So if it is too much, if they even have the taste of pepper, that food is over. They will not eat it. So now I'm about to start. Everything will go in for the grinding. Just follow me. You put it little, depending on what your machine can carry. Now, all the whole ingredients, I put it here. Now you see it's overfull, so I will reduce it because I'm going to grind it twice. So that it can be grounded, you need to put little water to it. Now, the work is about to start.
Wow.
Now you can see that
This is the green pepper.
the color is changed because I added fungi, champignon to this. Because of the fungi I added, that's why it has changed the color. You cannot see the difference because of the fungi, but all is for protein. This thing doesn't need salt because depends on you. If you want to put salt, you can put, but very minor because it is already sweet potato. The potato is already sweet. So if you now want to add any other thing you feel you can add it to it. So now this one's already set. Oh yes. This is roasted chicken. I will remove the whole meat so that I can put them together, put it inside. Now this is the roasted chicken. Remove everything. Okay. Now you cannot see it yourself. Everything is almost done. Make sure. Okay, now you cannot see yourself. Okay. Okay. This one is prepared for fire.
Yes.
Everything is almost prepared. This side is going to pot. I'm not going to use the oven. I'm going to cook it. When it is done like this, you can still put it in the oven or you can cook it. But today, I'm going to use the cooking system. So,
Huh? You are using that.
Couper de la viande, je prends le couteau, je fais tac. Après tu mets.
Hey!
Arrête!
Hey!
Arrête! Arrêtez! On doit
Hey, are you not someone that is guarding the chicken?
Arrêtez! On doit. Dernièrement, c'est pas notre faute si on a des tabatabes.
we are about to eat right now. Thank you. God bless. Thank you.
Oh, wow. It's ready. So, guys, we are about to eat. Join us. You don't know, you want me to cut it?
Non.
Oh, yeah, cut it.
Merci.
You say that?
It's not hot.
It's very okay.
Oh, bon, pour faire microwave.
So, guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you all.